Hi, today I want to talk about how to enable your Visual Studio Code to use Python. So let's start your Visual Studio Code, and when it is enabled, you just click the add-on button. So in the previous case it was not shown properly because of the network speed, but at this time you can check that the Python is enabled in default, so just click the first one as an install button. Okay, so I just click this button and it will take time, so please be patient to be installed. For my case, with a slow network speed, it can be prolonged about up to 3 minutes. So as you know, this computer is too slow, so it will take time. So I'll edit if it takes too long time. So please be patient. Hooray! So it was installed. So you can test it by opening a Python file, or you can just add a new file. But in my case, as you know, we typed some of the code. So let's search for a code which may be opened from the file menu. So let's go to the file menu here. Okay, let's open the recent file, but it may not record it properly, so you may open it. So in the folder of Python code, I'd like to open the previous code, which was loops. Okay, and as you know, the code is automatically recorded here. So let's start this code by press run, and you may select start by debugging. So it is Python file. So you can just ignore the suggestion for installing Pylint. So you can safely close this sub window. Yes, can you see? The result is shown here. The ordinal numbers and the repeated symbols. So that's all. You can do this. Just click the add-on Okay, and you can see the output from the terminal window in the below. Okay, so please try it so it can be more uh, it seems more professional. Okay, so thank you for joining this short lecture. Thank you.